Alrighty, folks. We're just going to be looking today at converting between the two different systems, SI and Imperial. And to do that, we need to know some of these conversion factors, like you see here. So 1 inch equals 22.54 centimeters, and all those other ones that you see there. Um, Now, boy, I don't think I like how they call these exact conversions because they aren't really exact conversions. So let's just kind of not put that there and just call these are all uh, approximate conversions. Okay, so we are looking at then converting one measurement from one system to the other. For example, something like this. So converting 3/4 of a mile to the nearest meter. And this is going to be the factor label method like we've been doing. So there shouldn't be anything new. So we'll just set it up here and kind of work through it real quick. First thing we notice is that there is no direct conversion from miles to meters. We're going to have to convert to kilometers first, and I do that using this um, conversion there. The other option that you could do is you could convert miles into yards by using this one here. Oh, sorry, not using that one there. Convert miles into yards that because you know that 1 mile equals 1,760 yards, and then convert so use that one, and then use this measurement there to go from yards to meters. Either one of those is going to work. So pick whatever one you want, however you see it, that you can get there. That's all you need. I'm going to do the first one though. I'm going to convert this to kilometers first and then to meters using that one conversion factor there. So it's going to look like this, 0.75 miles, and then multiply by my conversion factor that converts it into kilometers. And again, miles goes on the bottom because I want my units to cancel out properly. And I put kilometers on top. Just got to fill the numbers in. And I get that again right from this guy over there. So now I have my answer in kilometers. I just need to convert to meters now. And that's just simply converting between kilometers and meters, which is pretty simple. Okay, again, kilometers goes in the bottom, so everything cancels out. Just got to fill in the numbers. And when I finish canceling out all my units and do the calculation, and miles cancels out there, kilometers cancels out there. I'm left with an answer of meters, which is 1,207 meters. Okay, so this again should be pretty normal to what you've seen before, just now we have different sets of conversion factors, but the operation is still the same. So I'm going to let you try two examples here. We'll do one, show you the answer, and then do one more. And I think that's it. So here's the first example. Okay, so just pause the video and try to convert 137 feet into millimeters, and give you the answer in about 3 seconds here. Okay, well I'm going to convert feet to meters using that conversion factor there. I could have also converted feet to centimeters using this one here. It doesn't really matter which way you do it, but here's how that works out with the one I showed you there. So 137 feet divided by 3.281 feet per meter. And that gets me an answer in meters. And then to get to millimeters, just multiply by 1,000. Feet cancels out there and there. Meters cancels out here and here. So I do 137 divided by 3.281 times 1,000, and that gets me my answer. 41,756 millimeters. Okay? Well, I think that's pretty straightforward. So we're going to end with a slightly more challenging example. Try this one. If you don't get it, don't worry about it. I'll go over it in just a few seconds. Okay, this one looks a little scarier, a little bit more tricky, but not impossible. You can still do it using the factor label method. Sorry, I'm stuttering right now. Anyways, so convert 15 meters per second to miles per hour. I'm going to put the answer up in just a few seconds. Okay, here's a whole solution here, the whole equation. So looking at units canceling out, meters cancels out here, and I convert my meters to kilometers by dividing by 1,000. Cancel out kilometers here by dividing by 1.609 to convert to miles. And then here, the seconds cancels out over here because there's 3,600 seconds in 1 hour, and you're only left with miles per hour. And so you do your calculation, 15 divided by 1,000 divided by 1.6009 times 3,600, and you get 34 miles per hour. Okay, so what I want you to do right now is to go ahead and check the website. There's going to be a little question there for you to answer as well. Submit your answer online, and you're good to go. See ya.